Hey guys, so this is the pro version of the popular Oukitel WP19, and the specs of this device, let's say majority of the specs of this phone are upgrades over the specs of the WP19. And have in mind that this device is not officially released yet. It is expected to be released next month. Anyway, let's quickly explore the top features and specs of this device. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates. So without further ado, let's dig in. So both devices have the same design, the exact same design, except for the rear camera bump of the Oukitel WP19 Pro, which appears to be transparent with a red stripe around it. It's completely different from how the camera bump of the WP19 looks. The thickness of the WP19 and the Pro version are the same, which is 29mm, but the Pro version is a little bit heavier than the normal version. The Pro version weighs around 592 grams. It's a very heavy phone. Also, the Pro version is powered by the Helio G99, which is a much more better processor than the WP19's Helio G95 processor. The battery capacity of the Pro version has also been increased by 1000 mAh, which means that the Pro version would pack a 22,000 mAh battery, which is slightly bigger than the battery of the Oukitel WP19. The fast charging speed remains the same at 33 watts, and in terms of memory, the WP19 Pro has 12GB RAM and 256GB internal storage, and the phone supports a 3-card slot, which means you can use 2 SIM cards and a micro SD card at the same time with this device. The device is also going to run on the Android 13 right out of the box, which is nice. It has a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD display, and the refresh rate is 120Hz, which is an upgrade over the WP19's 90Hz refresh rate. So in the camera departments, the Pro version and the normal WP19 has the same camera setup. Both devices features a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 64MP primary sensor, a 20MP night vision camera, and a 2MP macro lens. The front-facing cameras of both devices are also the same, which is 16MP. So the Pro version is also rated IP68 and IP69K. It is also military grade standard 810H certified, which means it is waterproof, dustproof. It is also shock proof. Other features of the phone includes Bluetooth 5.2, face unlock. The device features a side-mounted fingerprint scanner, OTG, GPS, NFC, and so on. So these are the top features of the Oukitel WP19 Pro. I'll make a separate video comparing the top features of the WP19 Pro with the WP19 to point out the differences and similarities between both rugged devices. Anyway, what are your thoughts about this new rugged phone? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.